So, I get we're supposed to take in the data as a CSV file, but how is a DAO factory the best design pattern here? Are we building something? We should use building.
First off, it's DAO. It's a DAO factory. It's not a DAO. It's a data access object factory. Second off, we are building something, but we need to be able to have something that's easy to manipulate, something that's really malleable. So that's why we're using a DAO factory, because we can build a lot of different kinds of things. Easy.
I think you're misunderstanding me. It's better to solve the problem you have right now, Then, when you notice a pattern, then you do that fancy factory stuff.
Oh my God, Zach. I did not know someone could be wrong about an opinion before.
You've got some nerve talking to me like that.
Yeah, you got some nerve not understanding how this actually works. Yes, we're building something, but what do factories do? They build stuff.
No, I think you're... I was curious about what was going on in there.
Well, we were working with Collins Aerospace on an engine data analytical tool in C++. It's really cool because they plan on using it for reviewing flight data from C-130 airplanes. The data would be taken in and...
Oh, I was asking about Zach and Will's heated discussion.
Yes, I was just getting to that. The data from the C-130s will be encoded in AirInc 429 technical standard. This data will need to be parsed and then stored later to be viewed and manipulated into different scenarios. Collins plans on using it to validate data, analyze and predict trends, and convert the data into easy-to-understand tables, charts, and any other kind of graph that can be useful for flight technicians and engineers.
I'm sorry that I'm not being clear. I meant the argument. Is it always such a heated situation when you all get together?
Heated? They were just talking.
So that screen that I was talking about, I think it's definitely going to have...
It's too late.
Hey boys, how we doing now?
We're doing pretty swell, man. Me, Will, and Thomas were just going over what the screens were going to be like for the users. I kind of think I explained it to you guys when we met for that Monday meeting, the one that Will always misses.
Yeah, well, I added my input to what I think it should be, and I thought that was valid. I didn't think I had to show up to the meeting on time.
Yeah, we were thinking that we would give notifications for putting manipulated data out of bounds, or send a message that is not normally transformed in this way. So the resulting change in the data fields may not be accurate.
Okay.
So you guys get any good impressions from the interviewers, or no?
So it's coming along, I see.
Yeah, the software is going to be really beneficial for flight engineers. It's going to help them visualize the status of the airplane, and it's also going to help them to simulate data when they are flying the C-130 plane or when they're trying to analyze something that's going on.
What has been your greatest challenge so far?
Well, I've been trying to get fish out of these big old mud puddles you Iwegians call lakes. We got over 10,000 of those up in Minnesota.
I meant in relation with your group project.
Oh, you finally want to talk about our project now? Well, allowing users to do real-time interaction and data manipulation has been our greatest challenge on our project so far.
Oh, okay.